Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a member, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to knit this beautiful pattern. It's very easy. It looks complicated, but it's very easy, so don't be intimidated. It's for all levels. This is how the right side looks like, and this is how the wrong side looks like. I've got it in two colors here. I've got the pink and gray, and I've got the blue and gray. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the pink and gray. So let's get started. You will need two colors. I've got pink and gray here, your scissors, and your tapestry needle, and 5mm needles. The pattern is in multiples of 2 plus 1. So for this tutorial, I'm going to do a small sample with 15 stitches. I'm going to cast on using the Longtail cast on, and this is how I measure the yarn to leave for the tail. Leave about 2 or 3 inches. Put your yarn on the needle. For 15 stitches, I'm going to wrap the yarn on the needle 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so this yarn should be enough for me to cast on 15 stitches. Start with a slip knot. Okay, always make sure that the tail is on the front and the working yarn is at the back. So with the Longtail cast on, I've done a few videos of Longtail cast on, so if you're not familiar with this type of cast on, please watch my other videos. So we've got 1 stitch here already. We'll cast on 14 stitches. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. I always tie a knot here to secure the first stitch to prevent it from unraveling when you start knitting the first row. Okay. First row, you knit all stitches. Okay, that's your first row done. Turn your work. So from row 2, you add the other color. So we're adding the gray. Okay, just tie it onto the pink color, just to secure it as well, so that when you're knitting your first stitch, it will not unravel. It's easier when you tie a knot. When you finish your work, you can always remove the knot, but this is just to secure it so that when you start knitting, it will not unravel. Row 2, you knit 1, knit 1 below, knit 1, knit 1 below. So you continue alternating between the 2 stitches until you finish the row. So the next one is knit, normal knit, and then the next one is knit 1 below. Okay, knit 1, knit 1 below, knit 1, knit 1 below, and then the last one you knit. Okay, turn your work. Row 3, you knit all the stitches. So you just do your normal knit stitch. Okay, that's row 3 done. On row 4, you take the gray color because we're going to swap, we're going to use the pink now. So you take the gray color, you put it behind there, and then you take the pink color, and then you knit. So knit the first one, okay, then knit the second one, and then knit 1 below on the 3rd stitch. Then knit 1, knit 1 below, knit 1, knit 1 below, knit 1, knit 1 below. Okay, just continue alternating between the 2 stitches. Knit 1, knit 1 below, and then the last 2 you knit 2. Okay, row 5, you knit all the stitches. Okay, then you turn your work. Okay, row 6, you repeat row 2. So you take your pink color because we're going to swap it now. We're going to use the gray. So you take your pink color, put it behind there. Then your gray is the one that you're going to use. So you insert your needle there. Take your gray color, knit 1. And then in the next stitch, knit 1 below. Okay, knit 1. Knit 1 below. Knit 1, knit 1 below, knit 1, knit 1 below, knit 1, knit 1 below, knit 1, then knit 1 below. Okay, and then the last one you knit. Then row 7, you knit all the stitches. So on the wrong side you knit, you do the pattern on the right side. So this is the wrong side, just knit all the stitches. stitches, and then on the third stitch you knit below. Okay, then knit one below. Okay, so for the pink you always start with 2 normal stitch knit stitches, and you end with 2 normal knit stitches. Yeah, then you turn, row 9, you knit everything. So I'm going to use the gray color. You take the pink one, you put it at the back, you take the gray, then you start knitting. Okay, so you knit 1. So for the gray one, I knit 1 and then 1 below. For the pink one I knit 2, and then the third one is the one I do 1 below. But with the gray one I just knit 1 and then I knit 1 below to the end and finish off with knit 1. So 1 below and then knit 1. Okay, and then on the wrong side, remember on the wrong side you knit everything, you just knit all the stitches. Okay, so that's how you knit the stitch. It's very easy, very easy. You just have to pay attention to when you're starting the stitch and when you end, because if you get it wrong then you'll see that it will look different. The only thing that you should remember with this is with the colors, when you start knitting with one color you knit 2 and then you do 1 below, and with the other color you knit 1 and then 1 below. If you can remember that, you will not have any problems. Yeah, it's very easy. So I hope you found it helpful. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you need further assistance. I'm here to help. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope you found it easy to follow. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also click the notification button in order to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Until next time, happy knitting.